Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Asetek's new all-in-one liquid cooler. So friend, Asetek liquid cooling technology has announced the new liquid cooler for the new ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3090 Ti OC edition graphics card. And friend, this graphics card resigns supreme by combining Asetek liquid cooling technology with NVIDIA Ampere architecture and 24 GB GDDR6X of memory for extreme overclocking performance and silent operation, enabling the ultimate in-game immersion for the most rigorous gameplays and sessions. And friend, with the 450-watt thermal design power, the new top-of-the-line GeForce RTX 3090 Ti supports 8K HDR Gaming and requires serious thermal management. And friend, the graphics card utilizes Asetek's latest technology and includes an optimized pin area for the NVIDIA Ampere architecture and full coverage cold plate to bring liquid cooling to both the GPU die and surrounding GDDR6X VRAM memory. And friend, durable 560mm tubes offer ample flexibility for easy tube routing to enable a sleek build, and the 240mm aluminum radiator provides an optimal balance of heat dissipation and chassis compatibility. And friend, the all-in-one AIO GPU cooler includes two 120mm ARGB fans with the Aura Sync RGB support for customizable. And friend, the all-in-one GPU cooler includes two 120mm ARGB fans with Aura Sync RGB support for customizable lighting and color effects. And friend, built for the long haul, this AIO keeps the graphics card operating well below the thermal threshold while the underload. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.